anything.
Yeah.
I didn't try and carry something too heavy.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah,
I didn't try
You know
and,
what
I didn't
happens
strain it.
When you say you get pain in lower back and also your arm at
Yeah.
the same time, is most likely going to be your atlas, because this
Oh,
is the
really?
door.
Oh, yeah,
This
my
is the
neck, it
door.
hurts so
This
bad.
is the one that goes all the sensory pain to. So I have to go check your atlas and adjust that first, and then we go to lower back, okay?
Because it was
it's
like
something not okay. Oh, yeah, okay.
it's really tight, huh?
Very tight.
Yeah.
Very tight. Okay, let's see.
And then I first thought, I was like, maybe I just slept on it wrong. But then I don't know. I just woke up and I was just like, what? I felt like I literally got hit by a car.
No,
because like my arm was killing me. I couldn't pick anything up at work. I couldn't sit down.
Yeah.
I had to stand up and work off my computer off of a higher desk.
I'm going to get this right here. Okay, right now here. Is you feel that? Yeah.
The pressure of it.
Right,
yeah, right there. Ow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stay there. Relax. Okay. Just relax and give me 1 second. Let them go. Easy, okay? Just let me go in. I'm on your atlas.
Oh.
Okay, that's it. That's the one that, now I'm opening the gate from your brain to your spine, okay?
Okay.
So let me do one here too. And just go and, okay, good. Now, we open the gate, the atlas. Let's go there to look at your lower back. Let me get this here. Lie on your side for me and look at this side. Good. Put this right here. Just bend this. Good. And here. Little bit bring you forward. Okay. Perfect. And go back to sleep. No resistance. I'm going to drop you toward me. Okay. Just relax. Good. Let's go other side. Do this. And okay. We bring you down.
So it's right. I can feel it right there.
Okay. Yeah. Good. One more. There you go. One. That's got to stay. Drop down. One. That's really good. Lie on your back. Okay. Let me see. Let me check your joint capsule too. It's good. That's good. Let me do the other one. Drop down. Let's see. It's good. Check your neck again.
I can feel like a pinch.
Yeah. Pinch.
Right.
Yeah.
Like right here. Oh,
let me get your shoulder.
So it's like a, even just sitting right here, it's like the pressure.
Yeah. That's the position you were. That's why
Oh, right there where your hand was.
I'm going to put this, relax, and let them go, okay? Let them go. One more. That's good. Stay there. Okay, do this. Okay, come, little lifting you up, back down. Good. Yes, in. Go.
Oh!
Okay, grab my hand. Come up. Okay. It's good.
I felt that one.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like, they're weird. They're like a